Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today, I'm inside the heater propagator. Let's just get to the back here. These are what we're looking for. These are my blue Penstemon cuttings. I've sprayed them, it's with powdery mildew, these, so you can see there, I've sprayed them twice. Seem to go on top of it. So hopefully, when we tip this out, yeah, this looks like some roots at the bottom there, but hopefully we're going to have a good outcome when these come out of here. I've mixed them with perlite and a peat-based compost. Just let's get this camera set up. Sorry about this, folks. By the way, I hope everybody's keeping safe at the moment, keeping out of harm's way. Right, well, look, shall we? Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yes, that's nice. Look at those, brilliant. This is one of the ones I was really worried about, this one here. But yeah, you can see there, lovely roots. Just pick anything with powdery mildew off. I shall repot these now. So let's see, I'll put anything with powdery mildew, put it to one side when it's out of your greenhouse, when it's wrapped up, not in your compost bin. You want it in your normal bin and out of the way. So that's two. That one's not rooted. Two. Number three. Three there. Four. Oh, that's not bad. So out of 5, that's 75% success rate. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, each one of those is a new plant. So right, let's get these potted on. All you need to do then is just round like that, get your compost, like so. This one's got a really good root system on this. It's going to make a brilliant plant this for next year. Well, for this year now, sorry. Try and get them centred. Obviously, look, don't make any difference if you don't get them centred, but I just think it looks a lot nicer. I shall water these, and then tomorrow I shall spray them again for powdery mildew. You need to keep on top of it. If you've got any questions regarding taking cuttings, anything like that, just message me and I'll get straight back to you. I don't mind, I've got nothing better to do. Keeps me busy. But yeah, they do suffer a lot, these with powdery mildew. You just got to check them, and the top of the leaves can look fine, the underneath can look really, that's when you really notice it. Yeah, another one like that. Yeah, it's a peat-based compost. It's got 6 weeks worth of feed in it, so you shouldn't need to feed for 6 weeks, but I like to give them a little boost. A little tomato feed really helps them out. But yeah, Penstemon cuttings root really easily. If I'm not sprayed them for powdery mildew though, they would not have rooted at all. I've dropped one. Yeah, 5 there. They would not have rooted at all if I had not sprayed them, so they just rotted. But once they're done, just give them a quick water. Give them a really good water in, like so. You really want to put them, stand them in some water then for a good half an hour. Let them absorb everything. Clean all the compost off the leaves. Let them dry, and I shall spray them for powdery mildew tomorrow. And I shall keep on top of that this year with these. But yeah, out one plant, I've got 5, so I'm really happy. So that's how to take Penstemon cuttings. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. And be happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep yourself safe. And yeah, click the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.